Hey everyone, Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you Play-Doh cake and ice cream confections. I don't know if you've ever seen this one before, but this playset's pretty intense, so we'll be making a lot of cake and ice cream today. This is pretty much the perfect birthday party celebration kit. If your birthday's coming up soon, give a thumbs up. The back of the box shows a glimpse of all the things that we can do with this playset. Let's open this box to see what we get to play with. Here's the base of the set. It's also where we'll be making our cakes. This is the instruction manual. Ooh, this is a nice touch. We also get some birthday cards. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. So we get 2 spoons, 2 forks, and 2 knives. Here are all the cake molds. We get 4 different cakes to choose from, and we also get 3 icing stamps. We can make 3 different types of layers for the cake. And this right here is a little display table to show off our baked goods. It looks like we can make some pretty cool molds underneath the table. Here's everything we need to make the ice cream. We get 2 cones, 2 sundae cups, and a roller. We also get an icing extruder, another mold to make some candy, and an ice cream scooper. We also get 2 shiny white plates. And here are the birthday cards we saw earlier. We also get 2 neat present boxes that we can make. It's pretty simple, you can just fold it in together like this. What was the best birthday gift you ever got? Write it in the comments below. And this is Play-Doh heaven. We get 4 special Play-Dohs. A cookies and cream Play-Doh, a birthday cake Play-Doh, a mint chocolate chip Play-Doh, and what I like to call a purple chip Play-Doh. We also get some solid Play-Doh colors to play with: purple, pink, brown, blue, white, and yellow. Now let's take a closer look at the cake making station. We can make 3 cakes at once. That orange gear on the right allows us to spin our cake station around, and we can also make a few molds off the base of this set. Alright, let's start by making some cakes. I have all my cake molds in front of me, and I think I'll start by making a birthday cake flavored cake. I don't know why it's called that, but it's really good. Now that we have that set, I think with the birthday cake flavor, purple icing would go really well with it. Nice! Let's work on our second cake now. This time we'll make a mint chocolate chip cake. You know, I also really like ice cream cake, Those are actually my favorite. What's your favorite kind of cake? For the mint chocolate chip cake, I think a brown icing would go really well. What do you think? Time to make our third cake. We'll make a lavender chip cake. For this one, I think a yellow icing would be good. Now let's make our last cake. This one will be cookies and cream. And this one we'll use the light blue for the frosting. Now that we've prepped all of our cakes, let's design it more on the cake making station. I like how we could just spin this around. I can't wait to see how our cakes turn out. Let's start with this stamp for our first cake. For this part, we'll be designing the icing of the cake. Nice! It kinda looks like a star. It also looks like a sheriff's badge. The cake will pop out by itself when you press the red lever down enough. Our cake's starting to look really good. Now that we finished that first one, let's add our last cake onto the cake making station. This time we'll use this stamp. As we go along, try to think of some cool names for each cake. I want to see how creative you guys can get. That's a really intricate icing design. This is a really cool cake too. I'm starting to get hungry. Now let's use this other stamp. Whoops, good thing our cake didn't break. This is a nice and simple design. Let's see how that icing design looks on the yellow frosting. Nice, that's really pretty. Let's finish up these two cakes really quickly. Maybe I'm biased towards the mint chocolate flavor, but this one looks the best. This looks like a really elegant cake. Now it's time to make more layers to the cake. We'll use this pink Play-Doh. Let me just roll this out a little bit. We'll use this layer mold. Now let's put the cake on top. Let me create some more molds with this white Play-Doh so that we can design the cake some more. Here's a vanilla flavored heart. Let me make a few more of these. These look really yummy. I'll put these designs on the middle of the cake. I think this would be a really good wedding cake. Now I'll make a yellow cake layer. Let's see what design this mold makes. I'll place this layer on the plate too. You know what? I'm thinking we should make a double layer cake for this one. So let me use some brown Play-Doh. This is gonna be an epic cake. I'll call this the monster cake. I'll finish it off by adding some purple icing.